Now you will see step by step how to earn $100 a day online without investment. You can do this for 100% free worldwide in Africa, Asia, America, Europe, Australia, all around the world. And you will get money daily. Let me show you the proof that it works. In the last 1 month I have earned more than $13,140, and here you can see my daily earnings. You can see my best day was $858 using this method. Second best day was $822, and you can see that every day I have been earning more than $100 in a day. Today I have earned only $169, but I will keep on earning more as the time goes by today. And this process is 100% free. You don't need to have any investment, and you can see in most days it makes at least $300-400 every single day. So now let me show you step by step how you can do this. The first step is to sign up using the link in the description below my video right here. When you use my affiliate link, you have a chance to get 6 times better bonuses. Let me just show you. If you go to this website directly, the highest bonus is up to 5,000 USDT. Using my link, the highest bonus is 30,000 USDT. You will land on a registration page where you will create a 100% free account without any investment. You can use your email address, phone number, Google account, or Apple ID. All methods are 100% free, and as you can see here, it works all around the world, in Africa, Asia, America, Europe, all around the world. For example, if you are from India, you put it right here. Then you fill out your phone number for free. Then you create a strong password. Then you click here get my welcome gifts, and you will be inside for free. Once you are inside of this website, there are of course many ways to earn money online. For example, right here I have earned more than $5,400 with just one trade, and you can see here in the earn section I have more than $52,000, and I earn more money automatically every single day. Today we are going to talk about the method to make money without any investment. And that one you can find here on the top left corner. You zoom in a little bit, and then you will see here this affiliate program. So you click this one right here, and on this page you will register to earn for 100% free without investment. You can read more details on this page by scrolling down, and then you can start immediately using these orange buttons, either by clicking this one or by clicking this one. You can also do the whole process on your mobile phone. If you prefer to make money on your phone, you will simply go to the same page on your phone and then sign up. I recommend that you use the browser on your mobile phone, so in the same way you will find it here on your mobile browser. Once you are in this page, you will register to start earning money for free, and it says here it's free to get started, 100% free, no investments required. And as you can see here also in the flags, it works all around the world. Let me show you also the proof from our subscribers. So you saw here that I have earned more than $13,000 in the last 1 month. Let me show you that our subscribers from all around the world have been starting with this one. You can see here the flags. There are people from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Angola, Rwanda, South Africa, Croatia, Tanzania, Peru, Morocco, Bhutan, Argentina, Bulgaria, Namibia, Mauritius, Nigeria, Brazil, India, United Arab Emirates, Philippines, Nepal, Kenya. So you see that there are people from all parts of the world starting with this for 100% free. You fill out your first name here. For example, if your name is James, you fill out there. Then you put the email address here. You can use the same email that you used to register earlier. And then you fill out the password here, and you choose your country here. For example, if you are from India, you choose there India. And then you again click this orange button to get started for free. Then you move to the second step where you will tell a little bit about yourself. You can choose here what describes you the most. If you don't find a suitable one, you can simply click here others, and then you choose here the platform that you want to use to make money. For example, if you like YouTube like I do, you choose here YouTube. If you like to use, for example, Instagram, you choose that one, and then you put your Instagram handle here. You can also add here others, and you will add your own details here so they can contact you and help you to earn money. For example, Telegram is often used, so if your Telegram would be, for example, James Johnson, you can use that one. You can also add your phone number if you want, so people can contact you, and then you will add your Bybit UID. So let me show for you here from the Google Images. So here you will see, you hover your mouse above that image, and here you will see user ID. It will be below your email address. Just to give you also another example, here you can see it's below your email address, here will be the user ID. Then you simply copy that one right here. It can be, for example, 6-7 numbers. Let's put something here. For example, how did you hear about affiliate program? You can put here another affiliate because you heard from me. Then you tap this box and you simply click here apply now, and you are ready to go. I will show you in a moment the steps how you can start earning money, where you will get all the resources. But if you are enjoying so far, remember to smash the like and share this video with your friends who also like to make money for free, so they can also start earning money without investment. Once you have submitted your application, you may need to wait for a few days until you get accepted and you can start earning money for free. If it takes time, you can come here to Bybit website and you can come here and contact support and ask that can they fast track the process. You will be able to talk with the human being within 30 to 60 seconds, so it's the fastest support in the whole industry. Once you are approved, as all of these people that you can see from our YouTube channel from all around the world, then you will get a personalized affiliate manager. In other words, you will get a human being who will help you to make money, and you can ask any questions from that person. And if you are good, they will probably give you 2 affiliate managers who will help you to make more money. For example, when I got started with this, I got only 1 affiliate manager. I asked some questions, and later they also gave me another affiliate manager once they noticed that I was quite good with this, and I started earning, you can see, more than $13,000 in a month. And of course, if you need any help from me, you can always message me in the comment section below any video, and I will be more than happy to help you. Or you can also email me, or you can ask me through any other channel, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Once you get approved, you will be able to start making money like I am doing. And let me show you. You will earn money by copying and pasting a link. So just to give you an example, here is my link. So I can click this button right here and you can see it's copied. Or alternatively, if you want to copy it like this, you can click here copy, and you know how to paste a link. Let me just give you an example here on YouTube. This is how you paste a link. Let me zoom in a little bit. You see here paste. Now you can see it's pasted right here. When people click it, they go to Bybit, take action, I earn money. In the same way, once you copy and paste, as I showed you, when people click it, take action, you earn money. And there are 4 different ways how you will earn money, as I will explain you in a moment. But first, let me give you a couple of tips where to share your link, where to copy and paste your link. First of all, you have freedom to choose. So if you want to share your link, for example, on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, or Twitter, or Snapchat, or TikTok, or whatever platform, you have 100% freedom to choose. You can share the link there. My personal recommendation is that you copy and you paste this link on YouTube. And I have a couple of reasons why I recommend YouTube for you. First of all, you are already familiar with YouTube because you are watching my video here on this YouTube platform. Second, on YouTube, you will be able to target right people who are already interested in Bybit, so you will earn more money. Compare that to sharing this link, for example, with some friends or people who are not even interested in this. I would much rather share this link with the people on YouTube who already want to earn money here, so it's much better to use YouTube. And third, you will get automated income. In other words, you will get paid for months and years to come. Let me just give you an example right here. If I show here the income that I earned more than $13,000 in last 1 month, in some of these days I didn't work at all for this. In other words, it's making me money, and if I would stop working completely, it would still make me money all the time automatically. So YouTube provides automated income, and when you publish videos on YouTube in the same way, those videos stay there for months and years, and you will get that automated income when people see your videos even 5 years from now. And of course, the last but not least, YouTube is one of the biggest websites in the whole universe. Currently they have more than 2.6 billion active monthly users, so there are so many people who want to make money, who want to use this website, and you can share it with them. And now you might be wondering how to share, like what should you say about it? My first recommendation is that get first familiar yourself with this platform. Again, it's 100% free. You don't need to invest like I have done. I earned more than $5,300 here, and you can see I have more than $52,000, which is making more and more money automatically. You don't need to do that, but you can take a look at here. You can click around and see how everything works, and then in your videos you can explain how things work. Let me just give you an example right here. Here is a thing called trading bot, and I noticed that many people are interested in this one, so I decided to create a video about this DCA bot, which is in my personal opinion one of the best bots in the whole universe. So I created this video video right here, how to use Bybit trading bot for free, because there are no monthly fees, no annual fees, not weekly fees, not daily fees, so people can use this even for free. So in this video I simply show them how to use that. I show the benefits and then I copy and paste the link below the video as I just showed you. Come here, you copy and then you paste it right here. You can see again, paste. So that's how you can copy and paste a link. And then you simply explain how this can benefit users. For example, here you can show how people can get more and more Bitcoin automatically every single day. You can see that it takes only 3 clicks to set up this bot and so on and so forth. This is just one example. But if you come to my playlist Earn Money on Bybit, which is also 100% free for you, you will see 84 videos and here you can get ideas from me. Don't copy what I'm doing, but get some ideas from here and then you can use similar things in order to make money yourself as well. And the last but not least, you will be earning money automatically. So I explained there are 4 different ways how you will earn money, and if you have seen my previous video where I showed how I've been earning $444 a day with this program, I already explained them, but I will explain them again. One example how you can earn money is, for example, when the people who click through your link and they earn money on this website Bybit, then you can earn money for that. So if they start also copy pasting links, you can earn for that. That's 10%. For example, if your friend earns $10,000, you can earn $1,000. If your friend earns, for example, $100,000, you earn $10,000 for that. But then there are also other methods. Let me show you right here. Here is this earn account. You can see I'm earning more money automatically every day. So a person who has referred to me to this platform, he earns a little bit of commissions every day because I'm earning money here. So everybody earns money. I earn money. The person who referred me here earns money, so everybody wins. Then third way is also bonuses, airdrops and free money giveaways. You see often on Bybit they have different kind of bonuses, and here on Rewards Hub you often will be able to redeem your bonuses. So that's also one way. And then the fourth and the most common way is through trading commissions. So let me just give you an example. I have earned here more than $5,300 with one trade, and here you can see I have paid $1.60 fees. So a person who referred me, he has probably earned like 80 cents or something like that, of 70 cents for this one. So when I pay fees, for example, here on the platform, then a person who referred me earns money. And in the same way, when people who sign up to Bybit, if they start trading, you will also earn money for that. So there are 4 different ways how you will be earning money. I show you more details and I also answer mostly commonly asked questions in this video. Earn money online, $444 in a day. So I recommend checking that one out. And if you want to learn more about this Bybit and how you can make money on this platform, come to my playlist Earn Money on Bybit, and here I will show you and give you even more ideas. For example, in this video I will show you 7 ways to make $100 a day on Bybit. One of them is the free method that I showed you in this video, which is copy pasting links, but of course there are also other methods. So you and me, my friends, we are immediately going to see on this playlist Earn Money on Bybit, and also in the comment section below my video. Have a wonderful day.